How to manage app access to generative AI in Windows 11. Control how AI works in your programs. Here's how to manage app access to generative AI in Windows 11. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why configure generative AI access? In the latest builds of Windows 11, generative AI can help users improve work efficiency and enhance user experience on select programs and applications. However, this can also lead to privacy issues, especially when personal or confidential data is involved. Fortunately, Windows lets users configure generative AI access for apps so you can find the right balance between convenience and security. Let's explore a few methods to manage app access to generative AI. Methods to configure app access to generative AI. The first and most accessible method is through Settings. Open Settings and navigate to Privacy and Security, Generative AI. To configure AI access for all users on a local machine, locate Generative AI access and toggle it on or off. Likewise, if you want to configure AI access per user, look for Let apps use generative AI and toggle it on or off. Finally, if you want to limit access to selected apps, go to the list under the Let apps use generative AI section and choose which apps to allow or prevent from accessing generative AI. Another method you can use is the Registry Editor. Press Windows key plus R, type regedit, and press Enter. For per-user configuration, navigate instead to HKey local machine /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /capability access manager /consent store /generative AI. Under the generative AI subkey, double-click Value. In the Value data field, type Allow to permit access or Deny to prevent it. Click OK and restart your system to save changes. Lastly, you can also edit your local group policy. Open the Group Policy Editor by pressing Windows key plus R and typing gpedit.msc. Head to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, App Privacy. Find and double-click on Let Windows apps make use of generative AI features of Windows. Then, select the radio button beside Enabled, open the drop-down menu next to Default for all apps, and set it to Force Allow, Force Deny, or Not Configured. Press Apply, then OK to save changes. Determining how you control generative AI access lets you customize and optimize your user experience. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to manage app access to generative AI in Windows 11, linked in the description below.